We're out here at Second Chance Salvage looking to see what kind of cars they got out here today. Maybe even find some E46 parts for my drift wagon. Let's go. No 3 Series?
I couldn't tell you what the one in Row 6 is.
Okay, I'll check that one.
Thank you.
Wheels for that Beamer?
I do. What do we got?
Check this out.
Old Corvette wheels. Get kind of baller.
Get a Corvette. It's a BMW Corvette.
Hey, and then it's lining up LS swapping anyways, so. Oh, look, there's the BMW. Front and center. This isn't it, though.
Well, you ain't a Beamer guy if you don't know how to open it. Dude, it smells like a European car.
Wow.
It's crazy.
There's a bag of charcoal. Wow, guys. They're cooking in this thing.
I think you forgot your shoes, bro.
Dude, I knew I left them somewhere. Oh my goodness.
Bro. Is that a zombie hunter, bro?
Bro, this could be the next drift truck. That's just a wagon.
Same thing.
What the? This thing is mint. Yo! Holy crap.
Look in the passenger seat.
546,000 miles. Oh, dude, I whip this thing. Look, it's like. The windshield. That's what they used to do it right here. Good old windshield removal tool. There's a Fox body like the one at the shop.
Oh, yeah, this guy's ripping it, bro. Because it's the only way out.
Hey, look at the caddy. Oh, and there's a G right next to it.
Hey, oh, I'm not going in that.
There's a Mustang. There's two Mustangs over there.
There is. They're both white Cobras, too. Can we make it through here?
Yeah, probably.
Look at that. You think we can still use that engine, bro?
Yeah, it's a Honda motor. I was selling car parts being 2024. Good head gasket, guys. Get at me. Follow me on Instagram. $100, I know what I got. It's a little dusty. No, I did not find it at Junkyard. It's the steering wheel. $200, I know what I got. Mint. I'll even give it to you for an extra $50 with the car with the cover on it. Get at me. Instagram. Look at the shifter. Someone actually had some things done to this. It has a whole freaking aftermarket shifter.
Bro, is half the engine in here?
I don't see the box, but comp cams in the back. Look. Dude. This thing probably chopped. Chop, chop, flip, flip, chop, chop, flip, flip, chop, chop, flip, flip.
All right, Chris, I got a question for you. What is the chance that you can find a car at the junkyard and actually make it work?
There's 3 Mustangs right here. You just slap a new motor in them, and I'm sure they can get it to work.
4.6? It is.
It is. Look, it even has through the whole motors here with an intake system. I'm sure you could probably just clean this bad boy up, fire it up. Let's go.
If you hit up enough junkyards, you theoretically can probably rebuild, say, this Mustang, or say the Ranger behind you, or one of the more famous Hondas.
Yes. Just don't get one that looks like that. Obviously.
Oh, why not, bro?
You're gonna have to find a couple of them and then cut the rear ends out of those to then attach to these.
Nah, we could do it.
Nah. Alright, let's go find some better options.
That's my contraption to the roller mod, dude. You just put the camera here and then it goes up and down and you get some smooth rollers. Not bad.
For a Ranger, man.
Uh-oh, we were just talking about this.
It's there.
Hey, where's Breezy at when you need him?
Yo, we can get an RX-8. We're just missing the radiator and fans right here. That's really it. And an alternator, I think, goes right there. You got the rest of it. That's literally all that goes in these things. RX-8 game. Oh. Why is the roof like that? How does that work? How do you cave it in from the inside?
Bro, that tree just fell.
That was a
tree?
It's on the other side of the fence.
It's an M series. Look.
Yeah, that's a classic. Probably stuck.
It flips. It's Chris here from Shift Culture. I'm over here at the scrapyard. If you're ever curious as to what they do here, this is what they do. They break things into big cubes like Legos, and they put them into other Legos, and they smash them. Take a look. Hoonigan.
You're a Hoonigan.
R.I.P. Ken Block.
This does look fairly mint.
Mod Squad movers. One white, one black, one other blonde.
This definitely screams 90s. Technically 80s, but another one. Bro, we might be able to build a whole Mustang. Is that a VTEC?
Yeah.
Yo, question.
Yeah.
What are some motors that you won't find at a junkyard? Or if they did get to a junkyard, they'd be gone the first week?
Corvette motors. And you will never probably ever see a SRT motor here. And if you do, they're gonna be gone. People up front are probably gonna pull them. So yeah, probably say LS from a Corvette, not the 5.7 Chevy ones, but the Corvette ones, or SRT motors. What kind of contraption is going on in here? Huh. Bro, why would you do that?
Punch buggy. Punch buggy, no punch back. Bro, look behind you and see how many red cars there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7.
No, but I'm talking about here. These all run.
Oh, Jesus.
PT punch, no PT punch back.
Dude, you can't double up on me like that. And PT punch doesn't even work. What are you talking about?
Does in the junkyard.
You're making stuff up.
Ranger Scout punch, no Ranger Scout punch back. It's a yellow one too, right there.
As soon as we walk out of here, I'm punching for everything we see. Out of the water. So we ended up getting some drift spares for the E46 wagon. Good day at the junkyard. Let's go.
I would say if you go to the junkyard and you get at least one thing,
that's a win. I got 2. That's a double win. We out.